ang titingnan lang natin, yung laki ng benta, baka hanggang this year lang yan. Baka hanggang next year lang yan. Short-term wins are sweet, but it's the long-term victories that define a legacy. Yung benta natin ngayon, malaki pa din eh. Pero para sa akin, those are just short-term wins. And it's very sweet. Pero yung tinitingnan ko na long-term victory dito, nakapaglikha kami ng mga leader na may malasakit, that is long-term victory for us. Kasi, kung ang titingnan lang natin, yung laki ng benta, baka hanggang this year lang yan. Baka hanggang next year lang yan. Pero kapag nasigurado namin na itong mga leader na ito, kapusot ko damdamin namin, I know it's going to be long-term. Something that creates value to the community. Something na tutulong sa maraming tao.